Nelliyampathy, located in the Western Ghats of Kerala, India, is indeed renowned for its scenic beauty and unspoiled landscapes. The journey to this hill station is an adventure in itself, characterized by winding roads that lead travelers through lush greenery and picturesque surroundings. The region's natural charm and biodiversity make it a haven for nature enthusiasts and those seeking a peaceful retreat. As you ascend the hills, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of tea plantations, dense forests, and valleys. The lush greenery is interspersed with vibrant hues, creating a visually stunning panorama. The journey is often accompanied by the gentle rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the fragrance of the surrounding flora, enhancing the overall sensory experience. The winding roads not only offer scenic views but also add an element of thrill to the journey. The twists and turns provide glimpses of different facets of the landscape, making every moment a new visual delight. The elevation and vantage points along the way allow travelers to capture panoramic views of the valleys below and the distant hills, creating opportunities for memorable photographs. Upon reaching Nelliyampathy, visitors are welcomed by a serene environment with cool and refreshing air. The hill station is a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, offering tranquility and a connection with nature. The region is also known for its orange and coffee plantations, adding to the diversity of the landscape. In conclusion, Nelliyampathy's journey is an immersive experience, providing nature enthusiasts with an opportunity to appreciate the unspoiled beauty of the Western Ghats. The combination of winding roads and stunning vistas makes this hill station a visual treat and a must-visit destination for those seeking a peaceful retreat amidst nature's wonders. The lush tea plantations in Nelliyampathy add another layer of beauty to the region, making it a paradise for tea lovers and those seeking a tranquil atmosphere. These well-maintained tea estates not only enhance the scenic beauty of the landscape but also offer visitors a unique opportunity to explore the fascinating process of tea production. The neatly manicured rows of tea bushes create a carpet of vibrant greenery that stretches across the hills. The symmetrical patterns of the tea gardens are not only visually appealing but also contribute to the overall charm of the surroundings. Walking through these tea estates provides a peaceful and immersive experience, allowing visitors to connect with nature while enjoying the fragrance of fresh tea leaves. One of the highlights of visiting Nelliyampathy's tea gardens is the chance to witness the tea-making process up close. Many estates offer guided tours where visitors can learn about the various stages of tea cultivation, from planting and harvesting to processing and packaging. This educational experience adds depth to the visit, giving tourists a greater appreciation for the labor-intensive and intricate art of tea production. The serene atmosphere of the tea estates also makes them ideal for leisurely walks. Strolling through the tea gardens, visitors can enjoy the tranquility of the surroundings, with the only sounds being the rustling of leaves and perhaps the distant call of birds. It's a perfect setting for those who wish to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse themselves in the beauty of nature. Photography enthusiasts will find ample opportunities to capture stunning shots amidst the tea plantations. The interplay of light and shadows on the rolling hills, the contrast of green tea bushes against the blue sky, and the overall picturesque scenery make for captivating images. In summary, Nelliyampathy's tea gardens not only contribute to the region's scenic beauty but also offer visitors a chance to explore the tea-making process, enjoy leisurely walks, and capture the essence of this picturesque landscape through photography. It's a harmonious blend of natural beauty and cultural richness that makes the visit to these tea estates a memorable and enriching experience. Nelliyampathy's fame extends beyond its tea plantations, as the region is also renowned for its lush orange orchards. The sight of vibrant orange groves set against the backdrop of greenery adds a burst of color to the landscape, creating a visually appealing and refreshing experience for visitors. During the right season, the orange orchards come to life with the vivid hues of ripe oranges hanging from the branches. The contrast between the bright orange fruit and the green foliage is a sight to behold, enhancing the overall beauty of the region. The fragrance of citrus blossoms further adds to the sensory delight, creating a refreshing and invigorating atmosphere. One of the unique attractions of Nelliyampathy's orange orchards is the opportunity for visitors to taste fresh and delicious oranges right from the source. The experience of plucking a ripe orange and savoring its juicy sweetness is a memorable and enjoyable activity for tourists. Many orchards may also offer guided tours, allowing visitors to learn about the cultivation and harvesting processes while indulging in the flavors of freshly picked oranges. Wandering through the orange groves provides a serene and tranquil experience. The neatly arranged rows of orange trees create a peaceful environment, making it an ideal setting for leisurely walks. Visitors can immerse themselves in the natural beauty of the orchards, enjoying the soothing ambience and perhaps catching glimpses of local wildlife. The presence of orange orchards adds a layer of agricultural diversity to Nelliyampathy, showcasing the region's ability to produce not only tea but also delicious citrus fruits. This agricultural richness contributes to the overall charm of the destination, offering a well-rounded experience for those exploring the hill station. In conclusion, the orange orchards of Nelliyampathy not only enhance the visual appeal of the landscape but also provide a delightful sensory experience for visitors. The opportunity to taste fresh oranges amidst the natural beauty of the region adds a unique and flavorful dimension to the overall charm of Nelliyampathy. Nelliyampathy's hills are not only a visual delight but also offer exciting opportunities for adventure enthusiasts, especially those inclined towards trekking and hiking. The region features various trails that wind through the hills, providing a thrilling experience and a chance to immerse oneself in the rich biodiversity of the Western Ghats. Trekking in Nelliyampathy allows visitors to explore the hidden gems of the landscape. The trails often lead through dense forests, unveiling a tapestry of flora and fauna. The Western Ghats, known for its high levels of biodiversity, offers trekkers the opportunity to witness a variety of plant and animal species in their natural habitat. The trekking paths may take you to viewpoints that offer panoramic vistas of the surrounding hills and valleys, rewarding your efforts with breathtaking views. The diverse terrain, ranging from gentle slopes to challenging ascents, caters to trekkers of different skill levels. Whether you are a novice looking for a scenic stroll or an experienced trekker seeking a more challenging climb, Nelliyampathy has options for everyone. The trails may also lead to waterfalls or serene spots, providing opportunities for rest and rejuvenation amidst nature. The journey through the hills is not just about reaching a destination, it's about the experience of the trek itself. The sounds of the forest, the rustling of leaves, and the occasional calls of wildlife create an immersive atmosphere that adds to the adventure. Trekking in Nelliyampathy is a way to connect with nature, offering a break from the routine and a chance to appreciate the unspoiled beauty of the Western Ghats. It's advisable for trekkers to be accompanied by local guides who are familiar with the terrain and can enhance the overall experience by sharing insights into the region's ecology and history. Additionally, the guides can help ensure a safe and enjoyable trekking adventure. In summary, Nelliyampathy's hills provide excellent opportunities for adventure seekers to embark on trekking and hiking expeditions. The trails not only offer physical challenges but also allow trekkers to discover the diverse and captivating landscapes of the Western Ghats, making it a must-visit destination for those who crave outdoor adventures in a pristine natural setting. The Pothundi Dam is a prominent attraction near Nelliyampathy, contributing to the region's allure with its scenic beauty and recreational opportunities. This dam serves not only as a vital water resource but also as a popular destination for tourists seeking a tranquil and picturesque setting. One of the notable features of Pothundi Dam is its scenic surroundings. The dam is nestled amidst the hills, creating a serene and visually appealing landscape. The hills that encircle the dam add to the overall charm of the place, providing a scenic backdrop for visitors to enjoy while engaging in various activities. The dam site is often a favored spot for picnics and family outings. The well-maintained surroundings offer ample space for visitors to spread out, relax, and enjoy a leisurely day in nature. The calm waters of the dam and the greenery around create a peaceful ambience, making it an ideal location for picnickers to unwind and appreciate the beauty of the surroundings. Boating is a popular activity at Pothundi Dam, allowing visitors to explore the reservoir from a unique perspective. The gentle boat rides on the dam's waters offer a peaceful and refreshing experience, with the hills providing a stunning backdrop. It's an opportunity to enjoy the tranquility of the reservoir while taking in the natural beauty that surrounds it. For nature enthusiasts and photographers, Pothundi Dam presents numerous opportunities to capture scenic views. The reflections of the hills in the calm waters of the reservoir, especially during sunrise or sunset, create captivating and Instagram-worthy moments. Overall, Pothundi Dam is not only a functional structure contributing to water management but also a recreational haven for those seeking a peaceful retreat. Whether you are interested in picnicking, boating, or simply soaking in the scenic beauty, Pothundi Dam offers a delightful experience amidst the hills near Nelliyampathy. Nelliyampathy's allure extends beyond its scenic landscapes and outdoor activities. It is also cherished for the tranquil atmosphere it provides. Nestled in the Western Ghats of Kerala, this hill station offers a peaceful and serene environment, making it an ideal destination for those in search of a respite from the hectic pace of city life. One of the contributors to this tranquility is the cool and refreshing mountain air that permeates the region. The elevated terrain and lush greenery create a climate that is invigorating and rejuvenating. Visitors to Nelliyampathy often find solace in the crisp mountain air, which is a welcome departure from the hustle and bustle of urban areas. The natural sounds of Nelliyampathy, from the gentle rustling of leaves to the occasional calls of birds, contribute to the overall sense of calm. The absence of the usual city noises allows visitors to connect with nature and enjoy the soothing symphony of the hills. This serene ambience makes Nelliyampathy an ideal retreat for those seeking moments of introspection, relaxation, or simply a break from the noise and stress of daily life. Whether you are exploring the tea gardens, trekking through the hills, or simply unwinding by a dam or orange orchard, the tranquility of Nelliyampathy pervades every corner of this hill station. The absence of large crowds and commercialization further enhances the peaceful atmosphere, creating a space where visitors can truly immerse themselves in the natural beauty and find a sense of inner peace. In summary, Nelliyampathy's tranquil atmosphere, coupled with the cool mountain air, provides a serene escape for those looking to unwind and rejuvenate. It's a destination where the beauty of nature and the peaceful ambience combine to offer a therapeutic experience, making it a sought-after retreat for those seeking tranquility in the lap of the Western Ghats. Cultural experience. The local culture and way of life in the villages around Nelliyampathy provide visitors with a chance to experience the authentic charm of the region. Interacting with the locals can offer insights into the traditions and customs of the area. Weather. The climate in Nelliyampathy is generally pleasant throughout the year, making it a suitable destination for a visit at any time. The cool temperatures and misty ambience create a cozy and comfortable atmosphere. Off the beaten path destination, Nelliyampathy is relatively less explored compared to some other popular hill stations, adding to its charm as an off the beaten path destination. It offers a more intimate and authentic experience for those looking to connect with nature. In summary, Nelliyampathy beckons travelers with its unexplored beauty, cultural richness, and opportunities for adventure, making it a compelling destination for a memorable getaway.